Public-private partnerships, PPPs, are likely to feature increasingly in Nevis's development, according to Premier Mark Brantley, who was on 20th February delivering the budget address in the Nevis Island Assembly. Brantley said local resources are very limited, indicating it is necessary to not only attract foreign direct investment, but also to promote and facilitate public-private partnerships. Premier Brantley gave examples of current PPPs the Nevis Island administration is pursuing.
We continue to collaborate with the proposed new owners to redevelop the Nevis Plantation Inn into a world-class resort facility. We have continued our efforts to expedite the development of 2 resort facilities on the lands at Penny's estate, and we have made available an incentive package to the developers for the construction of a marina at Cades Bay to develop the yachting sector. The preferred hotel brands being sought are luxury brands, such as Six Senses, Auberge, One and Only, Rosewood, and Aman. This will ensure that Nevis remains firmly fixed in the luxury market to which we cater. We continue to leverage and seek partnership for the development of the former Rest Haven property to construct a high-end facility consisting of duty-free shops, restaurants, entertainment and commercial spaces, along with a berthing facility to accommodate small and medium-sized yachts with all attendant services. This will ensure that our island attracts the lucrative and growing yachting market, while also improving the quality of life of our people through job creation.
The Premier indicated that stimulating business investment in Nevis's economy is just as critical as a tightened fiscal policy focused on debt reduction. Glenn Bart reporting for SK Newsline.